Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Facebook. Let's just start the video. To clear the cache from Facebook, you have to go to your device settings. Open settings, scroll down and tap apps, then find and select Facebook. Now tap on storage. Tap on clear cache to clear the caches of Facebook. This won't delete your data, just the temporary files that might be causing issues. That's it, your Facebook cache is now cleared and your app should now run smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.